Hey y'all, as requested, going live cutting the Arabian Nights soap I made yesterday. Just let me share my post, and I'm coming right along. Let me turn my volume down. Okay, so let me share this post. Did I share it? Okay. I think I did. Make sure. Yeah, I did. Okay, I'm going to go to my other page and share it. I wish they had a button where you can just share it all to one thing at one time. But until then, you gotta do it this way. Okay, let me check something right quick. Okay, so let's get ready to cut soap. We are cutting Arabian Nights soap. Let me move some stuff out the way, y'all. I got stuff in my way from yesterday making body butters. It was crazy. Hectic 2 days, Tuesday and Wednesday, I'm telling you. Woo. Alright. So let's grab this. That there, hopefully it don't fall, because stuff always like to fall when I'm on live. Y'all notice that, huh? Let me grab some gloves. It can come out the box. Okay. Alright, y'all. So, let me say hello. Hello, everybody. It's Tanya from Jabel Soaps, and we are cutting Arabian Nights right here that I made yesterday. I made so much soap. I made like 5-6 loads of soap in the past 2 days, and 75 bottles of body butter, y'all. It's crazy. So we're gonna turn the camera back where y'all can see, and we will get started. So here's the Arabian Nights soap. Let me show it to you before I cut it. This is Arabian Nights, and y'all are all waiting and requesting to watch it be cut. So that's what we're gonna do now, is cut the soap. Put the mold up. Arabian Nights is one of my staple soaps. It's gonna always be one of my soaps in my inventory. Arabian Nights. 2 other soaps that are staples that would, like, not right now, son. Wait, because I'm on camera, I'm on live. It's gonna always be soaps on my line will be Caribbean Teakwood and also Blood Orange and Goji. Customers love these 3 soaps. And I'm thinking that soap I made yesterday, the day before yesterday, the Blue Ocean Wave soap, that's going to be another one. Son, come get this. Look at me. Turn around. My son is deaf, so I got to wait to get his attention, y'all. take this. People who know me personally know my son is Duff. Alright, and he is the person who washes all my soap dishes. So this is what it looks like. All the glitter. This is what the soap looks like before I cut it. This is Arabian Nights. Alrighty. So let me cut an end piece off for sampling, because I don't like people picking up each soap loaf, sniffing all over it, trying. So I always cut a little sample piece off and put it in a little Ziploc bag and set it in front of my soap so that they can smell that instead of picking up each soap bar trying to smell through the plastic. Because I shrink wrap my soaps also. So here we go with the first cut. This is Arabian Nights. You see the drop swirls up in there. Ain't that pretty? This is Arabian Nights. Oh, it smells so good. As soon as you cut it, it's like bam in your face. This is Arabian Nights soap. And this soap will have to cure for 4 weeks before selling, but I also have some that has already been curing for about a week. So those got 3 weeks left. This is Arabian Nights. Back this up some. And y'all know I cut big, huge bars. My bars are huge. They are $12. But I don't charge $12 for them little thin bars like everybody else. My bars are huge. My bars last you a long time. You get your money's worth. Because I know I wouldn't want to pay $12. I'm going to show you the size of the soap that they be selling for $12. It'd be like a little bit small, a little bit thinner than this. This is actually bigger. Well, it might be this size. This is what they sell y'all for $12. Without the piping on top. It'd just be a flat soap. It'd be a soap this high and this wide for $12. I pipe my soaps, which makes my soaps taller and bigger. And look at the comparison. Look at the comparison. Their $12 soaps, my $12 soaps. Look at the comparison. Yeah, so I give you your money's worth. I'm keeping this bar for myself. So this is Arabian Nights, guys. Y'all was waiting on that to be cut. It's cut now, and I'm not making any more soap until next week. I'm caught up a little bit until, my camera so I can talk to y'all. I'm caught up until next week. Water to the side. Until next week, maybe Tuesday, when I go back to the soap store and get some more fragrances. I'll tell y'all a couple of fragrances that I will be getting and making. So I'm remaking Sexy Beast soap because that one sold out. Dauntless, I don't know if y'all remember Dauntless, but that soap sold out instantly, and I never went back and got the fragrance to remake it, so I'm getting that one. Bamboo Coconut, which was one of the first soaps I made, and those were very popular, especially the men love that. It's a unisex scent, but the men really love Bamboo Coconut, so I'm bringing that one back. Jamaican Me Crazy, I'm doing that one again. High Tide for men, I'm doing that one again. And Deviant. Deviant is based off a perfume by who I don't remember, but it's a scent from a perfume, and it smells really good. So those are the six soaps that I'm going to be making next week. And of course, y'all know when I'm in the soap store, if I see another fragrance I haven't tried yet and it smells really good, I usually get it. And that's what happened with the Blue Ocean Waves. Let me show you that soap. So yeah, that's what happened with Blue Ocean Waves. I was in the soap store and I was shopping for some other scents and restocking my ingredients to come back and make soap. And I was like, Blue Ocean Waves, I wonder what that smelled like. So I picked up the little tester jar and smelled it, and I was like, oh my God, this smells so good. And instantly I got this design in my head of what I wanted the soap to look like. So I bought it. And I bought the fragrance, and this is Blue Ocean Waves. I stamped it with my signature. And turn the camera down, the light down. Okay, I stamped it with my signature Jabelle. But this is Blue Ocean Waves, and I made it look like water. And the bottom of the water, the sand, the dirt part at the bottom in the ocean. And then you know how at the beach it be having that white foam on top, so I put some white toppings on top of it to make it look like the ocean water. So this is Blue Ocean Waves, and my God, this soap smells so good. This is a unisex scent. I think men and women will love this scent. So this is the soap that I cut yesterday. I also cut yesterday Blood Orange and Goji and Blood Orange and Goji. Oh, that was it. This one and Blood Orange and Goji was the ones I cut yesterday. So, yes, I'm so proud of this one here. I can't wait to use this one. Oh, my God. So, yeah, we cut Arabian Nights. And I think it came out beautiful. Arabian Nights. My drop swirls always look different every time I make the soap, y'all. But it's the same scent, and it always has the same top. So, yes, so there is the cutting of y'all soap, Arabian Nights. And y'all get at me. This is Jabelle. This is Tanya from Jabelle Soaps. And contact me in Messenger. I have a sale this week that started Monday, and it's going to end on, I said it was going to end Friday, but I might extend it till Monday. Buy 2 soaps and get a body butter free. I have 3 body butters. Let me get those for you. So I have 3 body butters, and I didn't grab the same 2. Hold up. It was dark over there, y'all. Wait a minute. So here we go. We have 3 body butters this week, but next week I'll be adding another one. So we have, this one is Arabian Nights body butter that I made. Arabian Nights is purple. And this one is Caribbean Teakwood is green. And this one is Blood Orange and Goji. I made it like this pinkish reddish looking color. But next week I'm waiting on my fragrance to be delivered. I got 1,000 Wishes. It's a Bath and Body Works fragrance. It smells really good. And I'm going to be making 1,000 Wishes soap and 1,000 Wishes body butter to go with that. So I'm going to have a total of 4 body butters. Next week I'll be making that. So yes, y'all, the sale this week is buy 2 soaps and get one of these lovely body butters for free this week. And thank you for joining me. If you would like to purchase any of my soaps or body butters, I also have Yanni bars. I also have sensitive skin bars. That's just a plain white bar of soap with no color, no fragrance. I also have facial bars, and I also have shampoo bars. So if you would like to purchase any of my products, my soaps are $12. My facial bars, my Yanni bars, my infant soap, my shampoo bars are $8, and my body butters are $12. But I have a sale this week. Buy 2 soaps, get a body butter free. And That's it. If you want to contact me for a purchase, you can contact me on the Jabelle Soaps page or even any one of my personal pages, Jabelle Tanya Brown or Tanya CMS Brown. Thank you for watching my live and joining me, and y'all have a very blessed day. Bye.